Welcome in, Renegades. And today we are going to be talking about some amazing, crazy news on the internet computer that actually is going to change the way that we see crypto, because internet computer is onboarding new people and developing like no other blockchain in the Web3 space. So 2024 is starting with a bang with great new projects onboarding ICP. Check out the latest grantees and innovators in the ecosystem. So let's take a look at those real quick, because they did this like a month or two ago and they just had some fire grantees. So let's see what's going to happen here and where they go. So first off, we have the IC service bus, mirroring Web 2 service bus architectures, streamlines, and scales. Inter-canister communication in a multi-canister system, enabling canisters to easily publish or subscribe to shared topics without detailed knowledge of each other. So that is actually really cool because it's going to introduce a multi-canister system and let them basically publish or subscribe to shared topics without detailed knowledge of each other. It's like a decentralized sharing protocol. Pretty cool. I like that. Let's move on to Tabby POS. So definitely give them a follow over here. The first community-driven blockchain point of sale. So it looks like Ergo, Iotic, Solana, ICP. Let's go. So it is a blockchain payment solution. It integrates a hardware terminal with POS software that seamlessly merges the blockchain with real-world business operations. Tabby POS is a cash register terminal that supports cryptocurrency payments. That is so cool. This point of sale is something that crypto absolutely needs. It is basically like something that would like read your debit card or credit card, except it looks like it is a community-driven blockchain point of sale. So that's cool. I really like to see stuff like that. Definitely got to check these out a little bit more real quick. See what's going on over here. Okay. A blockchain payment solution integrates a hardware terminal with POS software that seamlessly merges the blockchain with real-world business operations. And I guess they have an EPOS token. You can shop on there. Cool. Point of sales, managed sales, customer product, and able to print receipt invoice. Payment solution, accept different cryptocurrency as payment currencies. Sales report, view various daily sales reports and product reports. And then you can also link with the Ergo ecosystem, such microfinance, staking, and investments, or staking investments. So that's pretty cool. This is pretty awesome. They do have an app, it looks like, the Tabby app. So if you want to go check that out, I would definitely look at what that is. Improve your payment experience with Tabby app. So it looks like they have it for Android. So I would definitely go and see if they have this on the Google Play Store for you. Tabby app. That would be really cool. Or if you have your Chromebook, I'm not sure. Yep, it just looks like it's only for mobile. So Android only for now, and then they'll have iOS hopefully later on. That's pretty interesting. Ecosystem, let's take a look at that. Okay, we already did that. Bet lottery, pay to bet lottery from lottery provider and any accepted merchant. So you could play the lottery. Reload mobile credit, so if you need to add money to your phone, pay bill. NFT member card wallet, Tabby will support to store NFTs in your wallet account, receive credit with QR scan or transfer via app from the other users, and easy, fast when making payment or transfer. So this is cool. Mobile payment. You can use a mobile device to pay with simple steps. Secure your ERG. Keep your balance safe in Tabby mobile app. No transaction fee. No hidden transaction fee when you make payment transfers. Instant transfer. Make a fast transfer in a second without waiting a long time. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. Now, another really cool thing is happening from one of my favorite projects in the ecosystem, and one I'm actually invested in and following. very closely. It's a new music platform that lets artists basically interact with their fans and the fans directly with the artist without a major record label. So it actually creates kind of a more personalized feel, and the artists make more of the money. So if you want to support your favorite artist, you can do it directly on Trax, and you can do it instantly, you know, with ICP or Trax tokens. Anything on the internet computer runs at lightning speed. It's just faster than Bitcoin Lightning. And now they are listed on CoinGecko. So they're starting to gain traction in all of the crypto space. These internet computer ICP tokens are now being listed on CoinGecko, and now Trax is. So congratulations to the guys over there at Trax. You guys are doing awesome. Just keep it up. Maybe one video we'll go over there and create an account and just kind of listen to some stuff. I don't know. My computer kind of sucks, so we might not be able to do that, but we'll see. So I do want to look at where we're sitting at in the price today. We did move up another 200 million. We are sitting at 16 again, which is perfect. We just beat out Shiba Inu, I believe, again, which is great. We are kind of low on the volume and we're dropping down, but we're still 42. We are at 176 million. We did go to a high of it looks like only about 180, 190 over here. We haven't really, I guess we're at 200 earlier this morning. But coming out into the day, the weekend, I was really expecting kind of a big pump on the weekend, especially because today is Saturday. So we're going to look at the charts and see if this descending triangle is going to play out, or if our bullish scenario is going to play out. So first off, when we get started right here, I want to definitely take you here and show you this. This is going to be where a lot of the purchases were made from back here all the way up to here. And as you see, there was not a lot of purchasing back over here from $9.35 all the way up, I would even say, until $12.57. So if you're buying at this point right here, you're buying at a lower price than almost every single one of these other. The most bought price is at $13.54. So we're 70 cents below the most bought price right now, which is sitting right here. We're starting to get support. This could be a bullish Gartley, but I don't know if all the metrics are correct. This could be a double top as well, and we could see a bounce off of, you know, this 1169 area. But if that breaks, we are definitely going to be looking towards about 1050 in the short term. We have already hit this level once as support. We tested this EMA 25 on the daily, which is the 25-day moving average exponential. And we also tested this previous support that we broke out of here with a clear, you know, test, breakout. So we're starting to test this. We've only really tested it once. You could kind of say we're getting close to testing it, but I don't think we're going to be going much lower from here. We are going to be under this simple moving average, which means on the daily, we are below the simple moving average in the last 14 days. Our price and volume is going to be lower than the price versus volume 14 days ago. So we're definitely lower, and we're going to need to break out of this. So if we do get above, I think it's going to be somewhere around the $13.71 area where we're going to be testing this RSI, or if we get a lot of volume, just I really think, yeah, right around 1370. So that's an area I would be watching for sure. If we go out to the weekly, we have a bull flag scenario here. So this definitely isn't exactly what I would like to see here with a bull flag, because it just is looking a little bit wonky. But let's just see if we got something here, because we do have kind of this pennant pattern. I mean, we really need to, yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to have a pennant pattern, but if we close a little bit lower, we could have a nice flagpole right here. So this is definitely interesting to see. I would like to see this play out, and if so, we could get a move up to about this $16 level, which would be exactly where we tested before. And if we can get above 1350, this area right here, we're not going to have as hard of a time, but we do have, and this could even be a bigger bull flag, especially with the downward trending slope line like that. I definitely am seeing this as some sort of a long-term bull flag, which is going to bring us to that $20 level. The only issue is this isn't the perfect one, but if we did decide to go from here, now we are talking a bull pennant. I mean, even like this. So we could have this bull pennant. So this flagpole could end us up at about $20. I've been showing you this, which could be a really nice area. Yeah, right around $20, $21. This could really bring us. And this could really be the catalyst that brings ICP somewhere, you know, up to this $30 range in a minute after that. So this is what I'm looking for in the long-term bearish, bullish scenario. Now, if we are looking at bearish, it's going to be this 1050 level. And I see we catch support at 950, 985 at the worst. So let's go to the 4 hour. Are we doing anything on the 4 hour right now? Do we have any kind of pattern here? It looks like we could have some sort. Yeah, we could have like a inverse head and shoulders possibly. Okay, let's see here. So we do have a lower one. That's a big shoulder though. That's one big old shoulder. Yeah, so the neckline kind of gets wrecked here, but I've seen these play out before. So we're going to go with it. If we get another test up to 370 and then a retracement back down here, there's a big possibility that we create this shoulder, and then this will bring us up to about $15. So this could be really good, and we also have a falling wedge that could bring us back to the top of 1389. And the cool thing is we already kind of broke this falling wedge here on the 4 hour, which I'm not falling wedge, but descending triangle, which would have been this line here. Let's just get rid of everything. It would have been this line right here. All right, with this downward, I mean, you could even take it back here, but let's just do right here. Okay, and we already broke below that, or you could bring it all the way back over here. And then like this. But it looks like we already broke that to the downside and we're back in it and we're testing the top of this right now. So as long as we can get above $13 or just bounce back down here to 12 and just kind of go in here and go sideways and then back up, we're good to go. But yeah, it looks like the chart is very neutral right now. We are above this simple moving average on the 4 hour, which is good. This is going to act as support, and we are above the 25 4-hour candles, the 25 moving average. So this is huge. This is a big support level. This is going to let us know whether we're going to be bullish or bearish. To get above this 25, man, this is the best level I've ever found, and I just found it the other day. I've been using like the 9, the 21, the 50, the 100, 200, and those are all great. Those are good for what they're meant for. They're actually really good. But this 25 is something else. It's really moving with the internet computer like butter right now. And the butter just keeps, melting right onto the line. And then, the butter hardens and then it turns to gas or whatever and all that stuff. I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean? So we're just testing this line. We're bouncing like a trampoline. We got to break this glass ceiling like we just did on the channel last month. So yeah, we're good to go. Things are looking amazing. Let's go to the CFGI real quick. just so we can see where the market sentiment is right now for the whales, everything else. The whales are very positive right now, so they're collecting ICP. Dominance is negative. Volatility is very positive. So we're not seeing a whole lot of volatility right now. Volume is very positive on the 4-hour, and this is the chart we were just looking at over here on the 4-hour. And if we can get enough volume to break this downward trending slope line, we are possibly going back up to $13.87. This is just an area that I'm really watching, this $13.87 level. And I'm also going to be watching somewhere around $12. So $13.87, $12, all right? So impulse is neutral. That's because there's not a lot of, exciting price things happening, but it's also a crypto that is just blasted off in 3 months, and it's the most technologically sound crypto out there. So yeah, price score, volatility, okay. Social's positive, search neutral, looking good, overall, neutral. Not too bad, not too great. But the 4-hour is actually, I think, going to break out. That's where I'm looking. The daily, we are on the negative side. The volume, we're down a lot. The volatility has been, quite drastic today. The Bitcoin dominance is negative. Neutral, we are neutral right now on social search. Whales are very positive on the daily. Again, the order book is looking negative because the whales don't move a lot of money unless they're pushing the price down or retail investors get in and they can do stuff. Impulse is negative. There's not a lot of people just, blindly aping in because we don't have big price movements right now. But AI investment suggests to hold on the daily. What does the 4-hour suggest? Well, let's look. Is it time to hold the internet computer, buy it, or sell? So it looks like it's hold. Time to hold and buy and dollar cost average if that's what you research and that's what you do, not financial or trading advice. On the 1-hour, it looks like it says to hold again on the 1-hour. So it doesn't look like it's beneficial to be selling the internet computer right now at these prices. That's what this is telling me, that we should not be selling this crypto even on the 15-minute. We're neutral. It's good dollar cost averaging, time to get in. You might have missed the move from 3 to 15, unless you've been a long time renegade. Then you bought at 3 a lot, and 5 and 6 and 8, although maybe not so much at 8, but 5 and 6, 7, all those. So, but you didn't miss your chance, man. We're still in the very, very, very first part of the bull market, if you can even call it that yet. We're in the neutral market. We're in the neutral market because we haven't even had the Bitcoin halving yet. So that being said, I think that we are going to call it a night. I thank you guys for showing up. Smash that like button, subscribe, hit alerts, because when this price blasts off again, I'm going to show you the level that we're going to blast off from. And that level is an important level to watch if you want to get in dollar cost average, ride the pump. Not financial advice again. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!